Forex trading involves risk and may not be suitable for all investors.
Transparency. How many times have you been approached in your life by a well-intentioned person who has a great idea and just needs some of your money? You've probably lost count. The road to financial ruin is paved with good intentions. But the moment you relinquish control of your money to your neighbor or even a well-respected money manager is the moment that you can increase your risk significantly. Without adequate checks and balances, you really have no idea what is being done with your money. Is it really being used for the intended purpose? You just never know without complete transparency. At FX Diversified, we believe that true transparency is being able to track your money at all times. Instead of writing a check and blindly trusting account statements, clients simply set up their own account through a third-party regulated Forex broker in their own personal, business, or retirement account name. And with the Forex broker's technology, you can track your account online or by phone and email and know exactly what's happening with your funds, including real-time account balance, monthly statements, and most importantly, complete transparency. This allows each client to have complete control over their own account. The third-party Forex broker provides checks and balances for the client, which in turn brings a peace of mind that can only come with true transparency.